diagram. So what is fishbone diagram? The fishbone diagram is a widely used in quality management, process improvement, and problem solving, as it encourages brainstorming, teamwork, and a deeper understanding of why a problem occurs, making it easier to find effective solutions.
Let's start in people. Community. The community sometimes lacks discipline in proper waste management. This leads to garbage blocking waterways and worsening floods. Next, we have residents. Some residents throw trash directly into canals. This behavior clogs drainage and prevents water from flowing properly. Next, we have local officials. Local officials may not strictly enforce rules or flood prevention program. Because of this, problems in waste disposal and drainage are not solved quickly. Next, we have contractors. Contractors sometimes use poor quality materials in drainage and flood projects. As a result, the structures become weak and easily damaged. Lastly, we have informal settlers. Informal settlers often live near rivers or canals. Their houses and trash can block waterways and cause flooding. Next is materials. Insufficient or outdated drainage system. Many drainage systems are too small or old for today's heavy rains. Because of this, they cannot handle large volume of water. Next, we have poorly maintained canals, estuaries, and sewers. When canals and sewers are not cleaned regularly, they get clogged with garbage and mud. This prevents rainfall water from flowing properly. Damaged or weak dikes, levees, or pumping stations. Some flood protection structures are weak or broken. This makes them unreliable during strong typhoons or heavy rains. Next is lack of proper waste management facilities. There are not enough trash bins, garbage trucks, and proper landfill sites. Without this, garbage often ends up in waterways. And lastly, we have limited flood monitoring and rescue equipment. Communities have only a few tools and equipment to monitor floods and rescue people. This slows down the response during emergencies. Proceed in methods. Floodplains are low-lying areas that easily collect excess water during heavy rains. When people build houses or structures here, the risk of flooding becomes higher. Next, we have river overflow. Rivers can overflow when there is too much rainfall or when they are clogged. This causes water to spread into nearby communities. Next, we have drainage systems. Drainage systems are meant to carry rainfall water away, but if they are too small or blocked, they cannot function well. This leads to flooding in streets and homes. Next, we have hydraulic structures. Hydraulic structures like dams, levees, and pumping stations help control water. If they are weak, damaged, or not enough, floods become harder to prevent. And lastly, obstructions of waterways. Waterways get blocked by trash, informal settlements, or illegal structures. These obstructions stop water from flowing smoothly and cause floods.
Under the environmental, we're gonna talk about first is about heavy rainfall and typhoons. Philippines is prone to intense rainfall from tropical weather disturbances. We all know Philippines experience abnormality or a heavy rainfall that leads to or leading to overflowing rivers and flash floods. Next is storm surge and coastal flooding. Extensive coastlines are vulnerable to storm surge, which are usually unusually high coastal waters that can cause widespread inundation, especially in low-lying areas. High tides, when coinciding with heavy rainfall, can worsen flooding by raising water levels in rivers and coastal areas. Let's talk about the fourth one, which is that Deforestation. Clearing forests from logging, mining, and land conservation reduces the land's ability to absorb and retain water, increasing runoff and the risk of flooding. Last but definitely not the least is about urbanization and land degradation. The growth of concrete surfaces in cities increases runoff, while the densification of buildings and construction on floodplains obstruct natural drainage systems. Let's proceed the last part, which is the machine. First, the water mains or burst pipelines. A massive breaks in municipal water systems can flood streets and basement. Second is pumping station. Pumping stations used in flood control or irrigation. If rivers, sabotaged, or overwhelmed, they can push water into areas that should remain dry. The third one, dam gates or spillways. If the gates of a large dam are suddenly opened, intentionally or by malfunction, huge volumes of water can be released downstream, causing catastrophic flooding. Fourth, artificial rain or cloud seeding machine. While usually used for agriculture and theory, overuse could lead to localized flooding. Example na experience ng Dubai. Dubai used artificial rain or cloud seeding machine. Nag-cause ng overuse and nag-lead siya sa abnormality heavy rainfall. The fifth one is hydraulic mining equipment. High-pressure water cannons can rapidly erode land and redirect water, leading to destructive flash floods or landslide.